find out.
Just like a thunderstorm in the background. Just like the kid gets struck by lightning. They just don't even acknowledge it.
Send your pa my best regards. Tell him he's got friends for life in me and my family.
Just this wind's like blowing in the faces.
I can't believe this. It's so kind.
Sure. But
I can't believe this. It's so kind.
I feel like we ain't done nothing together like this since...
What? What did you say? I can't hear you over the storm.
looking after themselves may even be good for them.
The thunderstorm will stop in exactly.
There you go.
Wait 20 seconds. Just look at this. Look at, proposing a storm.
What about Jim Milton?
Oh,
I like to rub.
it's wind. You can hardly swim.
I don't plan on capsizing.
I love you. I said.
It won't think she's seaworthy, okay? Look around.
I can't believe the game hasn't just got like an automatic.
I thought it was John Marston.
Okay, for this bit, let's just get rid of the random weather part of the game. Let's just have it sunny, or at least just overcast.
Here's good. Ain't it pretty?
Here's the moment. Wish me luck. Will you marry me?
Will you marry me? Take it.
Serious?
You make me very happy.
Let up, you silly man, and kiss me.
The whole boat gets blown away, and they all died. That was the last we ever saw them. They all died after that.